Krispy Kreme donuts. We don't have one in Medicine Hat.
Well, if you order them through Krispy Kreme, they can ship it to you.
Oh, so you had donuts shipped to you?
Yeah, so I run Uber and have them this early morning. So once we get them, volunteer.
So you work for Krispy Kreme? Or?
No, we don't work, but we volunteer for the Children's Foundation. I'm a local volunteer.
For the Children's Foundation? Is it the Children's Joy Foundation? What is it? Children's Joy Foundation. And your name's Jermaine?
Yes,
Nice to meet you. Are you from the Philippines?
I'm half Chinese, half Filipino.
Okay. Do you know Apolo quiboloy? Do you know him?
He's one of the pastors that is being known in the Philippines.
Yeah, like he has that big, huge mansion in Davao City.
Well, they said it's not his, so it's more.
Well, yeah, it belongs to the organization. Yeah, because that way you don't have to pay taxes. Right.
The interest is quite big.
But you need to tell the company
Yeah, we sell them for $11, unfortunately.
how much is it?
We sell them for $15 a thousand, and we have them right here.
So they were like frozen and shipped? Can I see them? What they look like? Because like you have the bags and everything. They mailed you the bags with your order?
It's either they ship them to you. So would you guys be interested to buy cake?
You know what? I think if I buy it in